Uh, in this video, we will uh, s- we will try to solve some problems related to instruction or an operator. Okay, so while solving this problem, so you will also like okay, you will also get an experience like what are the type of instruction and operator, like different type of operator is there. So we'll be using that operator to make some program in C. Okay, so let's start the with some small program. So the question is solve int a is equal to 1.999 something. Okay, the but the point is the int, okay, the integer, but integer data type does not give the value in uh, decimal number. After the decimal it does not give any number. So if it is, if 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 you are assigning a 1.9, okay, something 1.9. So but if you print the a, it will give us to 1. So let's see with on code. Mm, so let's say you let's make it bigger. Okay, int x is equal to 1.99999. Okay, so but the integer, like the point is integer does not give the number after decimal point, it becomes a double. But if you print percentage I x, so save it, run this code. Okay, so it is giving us this as error. Okay, so because this integer, it is assigning integer, and integer data type doesn't give uh, store a value after decimal point. So for this you need to typecast. In the beginning you should get int, you need to assign is int. And see, now it's running properly, because at the earlier it was giving us an error. Okay, so because why, the integer value does not store uh, after decimal point. So for this you need to typecast. So you need to tell the compiler that it is an integer value. So you have added integer, and even after uh, assigning it is a integer, it will only give us a single number. That's one. Let's move to next question. So it is solve. So this is a kind of type of problems we have already seen. We need to add this uh, a here huh, operator precedence. So first precedence will be into divide modulus, then plus minus and equal to. So here let's solve this. Mm, let's take it to code. Okay, remove, and we will add. So can you guess what its answer will be here? Here, At first we have seen in multiplication, minus, and multiplication. So the highest precedence will go to this multiplication. So 5 into 2, so 5 into 2 will be 10. Okay, 10 minus 2 into 3. Okay, so here the now here the highest precedence will is of multiplication. So it must be 3 into 6, sorry, 3 2 into 3, it will be 6. So 10 minus 2 into 3, 6. Your answer should be 4. Okay, this is how precedence will take place, and same happens in the code also. So for this, uh, if you see higher, all the operator in in into divide into, so all the operator are highest precedence, so it will go from left to right. Okay, the calculation will take from left to right. 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10. 10 divide 10 divide 2 into 3. Now highest all have the highest precedence left to right. 10 divide 2, 5. 5 into 3, 15. Okay, now since addition bracket addition bracket, so the calculation will take place under this bracket. So 5 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 into 3. From left to right, you can directly say that 5 into 1, 5 into 3, 15. 15. Here, okay, let's see. So plus, divide, and into. So the highest precedence will be of divide and into. So if we go from left to right, so 5 plus divide. 2 divided by 2 will be 1 into 3. So here highest precedence will is of into. So 5 plus 5 plus 3 into 1, 3 will be of 8. Let's check it whether our calculation is right or not. 5 into 2 minus 5 plus 10 minus into 3. 10 minus 3 plus 6, 10 minus 4. Okay, 4 is correct. 5 divided by 10 divided by 2 into 3. Okay, 5 to 5 into 3, 15. Okay, 1 5 into 1 into 3, 15. 2 1 into 3, 3, 5 plus 8. Okay, so we'll check, we'll in the code uh, we'll check whether it is right or not. Int a is equal to int b is equal to c is equal to b. Hmm, I'm getting some error. Oh, okay. We have not used. We have not added this semicolon. Okay. So let's print this number. Mm, percentage I. Let's copy. Two, three, four. A, B, C, and D. Okay. Save. Make it. Make it and check is our calculation right or not. Okay, we need to here slash. We forgot to add this slash. Save and check. I think we got a right answer. Save and now run. Okay, 4 15 15 8. So our answer was 4 15 15 8. Okay, and so this is how uh, see the we got a our answer is correct. So this is how uh, calculation takes place in this kind of uh, operations. Okay, in this kind of problem, how C programming runs. Okay, so the next question is write a program to check if a number is divisible by 2 or not. So how to how to solve this problem is uh, by using operator, modulus operator. Write a program to check if a number is divisible by 2 or not. So anything which is divisible by 2, okay, it's suppose 5. If 5 is divisible by 2, then its remainder should be 0, 0, right? If 6 is divisible by 2, so its remainder should be 0. So how to we'll see on the code. Remove this and we'll assign one variable. Mm, so let's say int x is equal to 10. Okay, so use if x modulus 2 is equal to 0. That means if x divided by 2 and its remainder is 0, then it is a even number. Okay, if x modulus 2 is equal to 0, print percent print print x is print, so let's say print 10 is hmm, percentage I. mm, Percentage I is even. X else else x else percentage I is odd. Hmm, Running the code. 10 is even. Okay, so this is how to solve this kind of problem. So next question is, write a program to check if a number is even or odd. Same thing, same like how we have done on this problem, on this code. Like you need to use modulus operator. So let's say the number is x. 9 is odd. Okay, this is how you can uh, check the number using modulus operator. Hmm. So let's check, are the following valid or not. Int a, int a. mm, so let's check int a. Let's check for this whole remove. Hmm. Just check int a. Percentage I. Hmm. Okay, so this is some other bitwise operator. Okay, so this is kind of some other bitwise operator you will see on the further videos. So it, it runs properly. So, and you need to check, uh, is this valid. Int x, int x. Okay, declare int x into y is equal to x. Is it valid? Yes, and yes, it will be valid. uh, Here int x y is equal to x, so this will be invalid. Okay, this will this will throw an error. Why? Because because you have not uh, assigned. Okay, sorry, this will also be a, this will also be valid. Okay, this will also be valid because int x into y, that means this y is also an integer. But here the point is, will this line of code valid? No, it is invalid, because if you're assigning uh, some value with a card data type, so it character must be a single, only single, there must be a single character. So let's check car, car star is equal to percentage c stars and save. This is like now you are it is throwing an error, so implicit conversion from int to char. So the problem is like if you are assigning something with char data type, so it should only have a single character. Okay, but if you remove one and only mm, keep single character, save, here this, and run the code. Sorry, it is not printing anything. It is supposed to print. Okay, so see, just printing star. So this is how you need to make sure if you're assigning something with card data type, so you need to add only single character. So let's move to next question is, so the next question is write a program to print the average of hmm, write a program hmm, write a program to print the average of three numbers. So you know to print average of three number, like uh, you, what how will you do is you know to assign three operator with integer. Okay, integer value, or you can even use floating value and compute it with average, find its average. How will you do is um, so let's say average of 3, average of 3 int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 7, int c is equal to 9. So to find its average, int avg is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 3. This is the this is how to find an average. Print percentage I avg. Can you guess what answer should be? So 5 plus 7, it will be 12. 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9 is 21. Okay, 21. So divide by 3 means 21 divided by 3, 7. Its average should be 7, right? So let's verify it. 21. Its average should be 21. Let's print and check the answer. 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, now we got a right answer. This is how to print average of three number. Just need to play with operator and variable. So is write a program to check if a given character is a digit or not. Write a program to check if a given character is a digit or not. So let's solve this with the help of scanf. You need to take number from user. Check. Mm, check digit. Mm. So let's declare one num variable. We ask the user to enter the number. Enter the number, and you will use scanf. Percentage I will store in this num. Okay, sorry, not num, character. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Not integer. You need to assign car. Input. So say input. Okay, and input. Okay, so I'm extremely sorry. We don't have to use car. Sorry, we don't have to use integer. But instead we need to use uh, car data type. So then only it will take some kinds of character and scan. So if input if input if input greater than or equal to 0 and input smaller than equal to 9, 9, print digit digit else printf not a digit. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, sorry, so it is giving me an error because I used in scan I have used I, should be C. No. Enter okay, enter the digit. Should have been I must have used enter the character. Okay, no problem. Input enter the number. Let's say mango, mango, not a digit. So it is not a digit. We'll use some other the code was 89, not a digit. Put this is greater than 0. Is greater than, oh sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Here I should have 9. Enter the number 89 digit. Okay, so what this how to how this code runs is, so what has happened in this program. So we have created one variable of car data type. So we have asked the user to enter the number or enter the character. Let's say character. The character. Okay. So and from scan from scanf function, we have asked the user to add input, and here is the main part of this program. Okay, so be careful and uh, please pay attention to this point. So if input is equal to 0, so I have added 0 in this uh, comma. Okay, single comma in this double comma, uh, it is of car. You might have seen. So we usually use this type of comma in car, and I have read input is greater than equal to 0 and input is smaller than equal to 9. So every every character in in program has its ASCII value. Okay, what is ASCII value? So so let's go to ASCII value of 0, 0 to 9. ASCII value of 0 to 9 is 40, and the ASCII value of 9 is 57. So this is some so this is type of ASCII table. So like the value of 0 will be of ASCII value of 0 will be 40, and the ASCII value of 9 is 57. It has some number in the system.